Whether you're new to embroidery or looking to add another pattern to your repertoire, this is the perfect tutorial for you. In this tutorial, we'll be using an embroidery stand to make our stitching process even more convenient and enjoyable. An embroidery stand is a wonderful tool that helps keep your fabric taut and your hands free, allowing for more precise and comfortable stitching. First, I'll use the water-soluble pen to draw our border pattern lines on the black fabric. I'll be guiding you through each step of the double chain stitch, ensuring you can follow along regardless of your experience level. This stitch creates a charming border that can be applied to various items like cloth or dresses, adding a decorative flair. Embroidery is not just about the final product. It's about the joy of creating and personalizing your own designs. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it right. The beauty of handiwork lies in its unique touch. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on the HandiWorks channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Keep practicing your stitches, and I can't wait to see the wonderful borders you create. Happy embroidering!